Now, despite Nigeria's rapid embrace of digital financial services such as mobile banking, point-of-sale systems, and online money transfers, cash transactions have remained prominent in the daily lives of millions of Nigerians. While digital transactions continue to grow in volume and visibility, cash still dominates everyday trade, especially in open marketplaces across Lagos State. Speaking with residents, many shared why thousands and even millions of Nigerians still prefer cash for their daily transactions. The report.
Digital transactions have surged drastically in recent years, growing by over 300% since 2020. These expansions have been driven by mobile banking, POS services, and online transfers. At first glance, the story appears simple. Nigeria is moving steadily towards a cashless, modern financial future in line with global trends. Yet, the reality is far more complex. Despite the rapid growth in digital adoption, nearly 95% of Nigerians' 5.73 trillion naira in currency in circulation, about 5.43 trillion naira remains outside the banking system. This continued dominance of cash is not merely a temporary handover from the past. Rather, it reflects a structural future of Nigerians' financial ecosystem, revealing deeper issues of trust, infrastructural gaps, institutional weaknesses, and the enduring strength of the informal economy. Some Lagos residents told Trust Television why they still rely heavily on cash for everyday transactions.
When they send you money, and they say they have sent the money, and you don't see it in your account that the money has come, then you call back to the person, say the money is not yet, but maybe 2 or 3 days later, the money will come. It used to happen like that. But sometimes it will just be a null and done for the person that they send transaction to. So it usually happens so. Sometimes, but not all the time.
They are disappointed. The reason why I'm disappointed is that I work for somebody, he did transfer 1 week, 2 weeks, I didn't see the alert. I went to the man who introduced it to me. The man now begin the class and say, why is he do that? Since that time, I'm afraid to collect transfer. If you want to, I want to work for you. You go and collect your card from my POS and give me cash, and I will do your work.
Nigerians still continue to use cash because it's cash we have been using all this while before the use of transfer and technology transferring money comes in. But another thing is that disappointment is also there. You cannot do away without it. There's a certain time I sent like 10,000 naira to somebody. They tell me that they did not see it. I have to go to the bank. The bank will tell me that it's not me that should come. There's friend that I send it to. So all those things have to affect us.
Number one, they will say the network failure. Apart from the network failure, there are so many obstacles that are in between that, power, maybe system failure or let's say the network is not working. So look at the ATM of the ATM. You will go to ATM now. Before you know what is happening, the ATM is not working. You will go and make transaction in POS. They will tell you say the network is not working.
Digital platforms may offer speed and ease, but they also come with risks cash does not, including network failures, stored transactions, and limited institutional support when error occurs. In this context, holding money outside the formal banking system is not an act of defense, but one of survival.